p.m. So beautiful in here, 8 p.m. Kuntong, look at this, golden bamboo tree. So festive, red and gold. It's a very popular and common color to signify prosperity, blessing, good luck and wealth for the Chinese New Year. And can you see Toe rabbit? Toe, Fuk Toe, that means the lucky rabbit. Lucky rabbit, Fuk Toe. Fuk means lucky, Toe, that means rabbit. Tu is in Mandarin, Fu, yeah. Yeah, so nice. Fuk Toe, lucky rabbit. Lucky rabbit. Look at this. Amazing. Look at this. Wow. It's like a projection. The light on the floor. So it's, look, I step in there. It's my shadow. So it's actually lights. You can see your shadow. Amazing. Look at this. Vibrant. Very bright, vibrant. Very energetic. Very colorful. It's like here in a rabbit wonderland. Look at this. Wow, it's amazing, amazing. 恭喜發財，恭喜發財 in Mandarin, 恭喜發財 in Cantonese. That means I wish you good health. Okay, 恭喜means wish. It's like a blessing or wish. 發財 in Mandarin, 發財 in Cantonese means blooming wealth. Basically, is something to do with prosperity and wealth. For me, I think the most important is prosperity in health, soul, spirit, and mind, and it manifests to your physical status. It's more than just wealth. Some people, they may have lost some money, but it doesn't mean their mental status or their mind and soul are prosperous or prosperity as well. So it's quite like a wholesome thing, I would say. That's just a traditional way to express your good wish to others in Chinese New Year. So this is like a close-up of the word. Toe, tu, rabbit. Look at this beautiful, beautiful lantern. Look at this. I'm not sure if it's laser or something, but definitely amazing. Definitely amazing. You feel like you're entering into a forest of golden bamboo. The rabbits running around you in a forest. Definitely lovely. You don't really need to go to the Light Festival in Long Leek. In Long Leek, that is one of the famous places in England, to experience a little bit of this. 8 p.m. Can you see? Yeah, 8 p.m. is the place. 8 p.m. basically that means a.m. and p.m. That's mean in the morning and at night it's open. So 8 p.m. is actually a very, very popular place situating in Kuntong, Kowloon. You know, this in the past 10 years of development of this city, the location is so much that unimaginable. You wouldn't be if you haven't been back to Hong Kong for 5 years or 10 years, you wouldn't be able to recognize, oh wow, this is the same place. It's just like tremendous urban development and renovation of so many places in here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yun. Wish. That means wish in Chinese. So logo APM. Lovely rabbit. So I hope Yun wish. So I hope what's your wish for the new year, and what is your new year resolution for the year of the rabbit? Just leave it to you. I see this Apple shop. It's already shut. So I hope you enjoy this video. These are real chrysanthemum. Bukfa is they're real. Oh. Okay. Mind the stage. 小心台階. So it is colorful, blossoming. This is fake. So I wish you all a very, very happy, blessed new year with good health, prosperity in all aspects of your life. And good health, may the Lord bless you. Take care.